Crude oil and natural gas both have seen a good fall today. We have seen oil coming from 79.6 levels, which has proven out to be a resistance. It has come towards 77.7, 77.8, which is a greater support. Likewise, natural gas has also hit 1.82. Now, can we expect this drop, this crash, to continue in oil and gas? Can we expect more fall from here, or there is a possibility of reversal from support levels? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and natural gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. This is the second update for the day. Few hours back, we have released the first update for oil and gas. And yes, do like, share, and comment. It is a great motivation for me to deliver twice a day updates. Let's start. First oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. If you're not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships and do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Let's now, if you look at the hourly charts, lower highs are formed, and if you connect the lower lows, it appears that it can in fact move towards 77.5, 77.3 zone. But remember, it has come to the support zone at 77.8, 77.7, which is indeed a great support. Thus, only selling entry today in oil is below 77.7. Very clear, because also one must notice the bearishness here is increased, and the last candle was with diminishing bearishness. It can try to retrace and come up towards 78.6, which is a great resistance. The stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, one thing I must say, look at these three lows and look at these three highs. It is still trading bullish. Yes, it has come to take the support here. Any drop below 77.7, you can expect 77.5, 77.3, which is going to remain an extremely good support, and then 77. Only and only if you see oil is staying below 77, treat this as bearish, else do not treat oil as bearish. Stochastic has come to oversold levels, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI has dropped. On the 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour charts, see, this is important. That is why I have mentioned lower highs are delivered here, higher lows are delivered. It is still staying in the consolidation zone. It has to come out of the consolidation zone in order to confirm a reversal. Stochastic has dropped sharply. MACD has crossed over here for a sell as well. It is looking downwards. RSI is comfortable. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour chart. See, one candle achieving the highs and the lows in a single candle. This is the beauty of oil here. Yes, failing to break beyond 79.5, 79.6, which was the first resistance, as I have earlier mentioned in my first update today. And it has got the reversal here. Thus, we have to still wait for it to break below on the downside 77.7 and 77.5, 77.3 zone. So very good support here, as long as rather I will say 77 is respected. There are greater supports for oil on the downside. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. Earlier in the day I have mentioned why 79.6 and $80 levels are a greater resistance zone, and why I had mentioned 78 or $80 levels is the only level above which you can say that it has reversed, else it can consolidate in the zone. Right now it appears it is going to stay in the zone. It has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average, and right now it appears it is going to remain a greater support zone. Thus you have to be cautious in between this zone, and if it breaks below 77 point, or rather I'll say 77, then only we shall say that it is trying to turn bearish. In between this zone, we have to be cautious. Now, before I give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. In this mentorship batch, we teach you key concepts, strategies, and the trade setups that can help you identify profitable trades with ease and trade profitably. Also, those who just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for details related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel. The next is those who asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, regulated, which is present across the globe with easier transactions and withdrawals, and which offers a swap-free account with lowest spread. You can find the recommended broker link here in the channel and video description. Do join and enjoy. Now, see, as you have seen, it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average. Thus, it is important that we should not be treating this as bearish, as long as I will say, see, 77.7, 77.8 is a support here. Thus, we have to wait for oil to break below 77.7 in order to confirm the bearishness. Yes, if you see it is staying below 77.7, you can sell, but you have to trail with the 20 points, or you can say 20 cents trailing stop loss, as long as 77 is not breached. Only bearishness today in oil is below 77, where you can look forward to 76.5, 76.6, and then 76 as the next targets. Very, very clear. Mark the levels 77 point or 7 for the selling entries, and till 77, be careful. On the upside, where you can buy, I will recommend you to buy here only and only if you see it is staying above 78.6, and then wait for it to break beyond 79.2. If it breaks beyond 79.2, you can say it is turning bullish, and then you can look forward to 79.6 and then $80 levels today itself. Yes, the sharper the drop can lead to a sharper rise as well. However, it is only to be treated bullish if it trades above 80, 80.2 zone. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Now see, natural gas on the RD charts after consolidating here, as I had discussed, that you can sell here at 1.8584 zone and expect it to drop towards 1.8 to 1.8 zone. It has come to 1.82 levels now. Can we expect it to drop more towards 1.8 in lower levels? Let's see. See, first of all, 20 period moving average is sitting at 1.88. That is the only level beyond which we can treat this as bullish. But let's have a look further. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is almost sitting at the bottom. It is trying to cross over again for a sell. RSI is oversold. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts. Moving averages trading with divergence, trading bearish here. Also, after a bit of consolidation, it has dropped. First breakout candle. Once you see it is staying below 1.82, when the higher price is below 1.82, you can expect it to move towards 1.8. 1.8 is going to remain a very good support zone, and below that, a sharper fall can be seen further. The stochastic at bottom. MACD is also divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold here. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts, the drop here, retracement, first bearish candle, and there is a possibility of series of bearish candles from here. But right now, yes, it may try to, or it is trying to fill the gap here, which has been left here at 1.68. Now this gap, filling the gap again, it may try to bounce back, because see, I do see that after this bearishness, also remember it has breached the bullish channel. So this is something we should be cautious of. Stochastic oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is oversold as well. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour charts, moving averages have started to converge, it is not yet crossed over. And if you look at the candles here, couple of retracement candles and then this massive reversal candle. So yes, if you see gas staying below 1.82, you can sell here at for 1.8, and then as long as 1.74, see, look at this double bottom levels here at 1.72. Also, as we have seen, there is a gap needs to be filled, but right now we have to wait for it to break further below 1.8. Below 1.8, you need to keep trailing. There are great supports. Stochastic oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish, trying to converge, RSI hitting the bottom. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily charts, look at the preceding candle reversal sign, a sharp bearish candle is seen, and now today is a follow-up candle. If now look at the median of the Bollinger Band sitting at around 1.8. That is why I say 1.8 is going to remain a very good support, and below that, see, 1.75, 1.74 zone is to be seen. Below 1.74 is where slight bearishness towards 1.6 it can be expected, but I do not see it happening today. Possibly it may try to stay either in zone, but also remember, see, this is the bullish channel in which it was trading. It is just coming out of this bullish channel, and hence this is a breakout which can possibly take the prices further low. Thus you need to be trading with caution. Buying entry at 1.86 can be taken, but 1.88, 1.9, these are the two levels it needs to break, and if gas stays above 1.9, you can say that the bulls will take over for 1.95, 1.96, and then $2 levels. A reversal confirmation and a rally confirmation is only and only if $2 levels are. For the day, it appears difficult that it is going to break beyond $2 levels. On the downside, a selling entry you can take here at 1.82. When you see the higher prices below 1.82, you can sell. 1.8 is the first target and a very strong support. Below 1.8, the bearishness to continue, and the next target, in fact, if it's not today, possibly by next week, 1.7476 levels is the first support zone. Then we can look forward for it to move towards 1.68 before bouncing back. Still, I will not treat net gas as bearish. Yes, it is reversing, but 1.68 possibly by next week is going to be support, and a reversal from those levels can be expected. For the day, you need to be trading with caution. Sell at 1.82, but at best towards 1.76, 1.74 is the support, and it may not try to approach those levels. So possibility is there. Take your trades accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bullishness is only above 1.9, and this bearishness below 1.8 will follow, and thus If you're selling at 1.82, trade with caution, and if you're buying at 1.86, trade with caution till 1.9. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the weekly reviews. Do watch that as well. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch and signals channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day and a happy weekend.